Lookout Notice. A lookout notice, also known as a lookout circular, LOC, is a formal request issued by law enforcement or immigration authorities to other agencies or border checkpoints to be on the lookout for a particular individual. The purpose of a lookout notice is to alert authorities to the potential movement or location of a person who is wanted for questioning, suspected of involvement in criminal activities, or may pose a threat to national security. When a lookout notice is issued, it typically includes information about the person's physical description, passport details, and any relevant background information or allegations. The notice is circulated to airports, seaports, and other border crossing, as well as to law enforcement agencies, to prevent the person from leaving the country undetected or to facilitate their apprehension if they attempt to cross borders. Lookout notices can be issued in various situations, such as when a person is a suspect in a criminal investigation, a fugitive from justice, or when their presence is required for questioning in a legal case. It is a tool used by authorities to assist in tracking and monitoring individuals who may be of interest to law enforcement or immigration agencies. What are the types of lookout notices? There are primarily two types of lookout notices. Red Corner Notice, RCN. A Red Corner Notice is issued by the International Criminal Police Organization, Interpol, at the request of a member country. It is used to seek the location and arrest of a person wanted for extradition or prosecution. The RCN is issued for individuals who are considered high-risk offenders, such as those involved in serious crimes like terrorism, murder, organized crime, or human trafficking. The notice is circulated worldwide to all Interpol member countries, ensuring that the person's movements are monitored, and if located, they can be arrested and extradited. Blue Corner Notice, BCN. A Blue Corner Notice is also issued by Interpol, but for the purpose of gathering additional information about a person's identity, location, or activities in relation to a criminal investigation. It is less urgent and less severe compared to an RCN. BCNs are often used to collect intelligence or seek information on individuals who may be involved in criminal activities or may have knowledge that could assist an investigation. The notice is circulated to all Interpol member countries, and if any relevant information is obtained, it is shared with the requesting country. It's important to note that lookout notices may vary in terminology and procedures across different countries or law enforcement agencies. The names and specific details of the notices can differ, but the general purpose remains the same: to alert authorities and facilitate the tracking or apprehension of individuals of interest. While the Red Corner Notice, RCN, and Blue Corner Notice, BCN, are the most commonly known types of lookout notices, there are a few other types used in specific regions or by particular organizations. Here are a few additional types of lookout notices. Yellow Notice. A yellow notice is issued by Interpol to help locate missing persons. It can be used in cases of child abduction, human trafficking, or unidentified individuals, seeking assistance from member countries in locating and identifying them. Green Notice. A green notice is issued by Interpol to provide information about individuals who are wanted for criminal activities but do not meet the criteria for an RCN. It is often used to share intelligence, modus operandi, or other investigative information related to ongoing criminal cases. Orange Notice. An orange notice is issued by Interpol to provide information about an event, a person, an object, or a process that poses a significant threat to public safety. It is used to share intelligence related to potential terrorist acts, weapons of mass destruction, or other serious threats. Interpol Diffusion. Although not technically a lookout notice, an Interpol diffusion is a communication sent to member countries to request their cooperation or assistance in an investigation or the identification of an individual. It is less formal than a notice but serves a similar purpose of sharing information and seeking collaboration. It's important to note that the specific types and terminology of lookout notices may vary between countries and organizations. Different jurisdictions may have their own variations or specific categories of lookout notices based on their legal systems and operational requirements. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.